Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here is my Hobonichi weeks in my Bujo planner cover, and I actually have the Planner Monkey Co. note freely noted in here and along with my Hobonichi weeks. So let's flip to this week, which is, that's not my week. Where am I? October 10th through the 16th. And for this week, I will be using the Autumn Blooms from According to Allie, as well as possibly some page circles from Create with Mandy. And I'm going to be using this grid washi because the color is just perfect. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is actually write in the days of the week using my Pelican M605, and it currently has Laban Hera, which is like this gorgeous dark teal green. And I really like putting or writing in the days of the week on the side here because it's such a small detail, but it adds so much to it. And yes, somebody said, you're putting down a line without a ruler. Yes, I am. I know I'm a total rebel for doing that, but actually I don't have work on Monday because it is Thanksgiving here in Canada, so no work Monday, yay. The next thing I'm gonna do is put down one of these really big gorgeous stickers from the Autumn Blooms. And what I like about Allie's stickers is that they're just gorgeous. There's nothing else I can say about that. I will put one big one down here. The thing is, my planner is actually getting very chunky here. You know what, I'm just gonna cover where I put the 15th, but it's okay. And taking some of this really pretty grid washi tape. I know some people find grid washi tape a little bit played out, but I love it. There we go, because like, look at that color. It just goes so well. And then I think I'm gonna take one of these circles, and oh, I love that combination. I know I'm covering up a bit of Allie's stickers, but oh, I love that combination. Okay, then the next thing I'm gonna do is actually put one up in the corner here, and this one looks like it's the best fit. Oh, I love it. I actually don't want to cover up too much of that sticker. I think I'm gonna put this washi across like so. Then put this across, and I'm gonna put one of these circles actually just like this, and then oh yes, perfect. Oh, I love that. And then maybe I'll put one more. You know what, I don't know, maybe do I just leave it? Ooh, it actually goes really well with my nails. Do I leave it, cover that up? You know what, I'm gonna leave it. Barely used any stickers, but I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and start writing in my schedule. So that is my overall finished spread. I really love how simple it is and how quick it came together. Plan with me's or planning out your week doesn't have to take a long time. This is my work planner. It literally takes me 5 minutes to get this done, and then I'm all set for the week. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I am an affiliate for According to Allie, so if you use my link below along with the code Karina10, you'll get 10% off your order. Thanks again so much for watching, guys, and have yourselves a great day.